Let's go straight to the point. First, send yourself the image of your signature. Select your image and upload it. This step is very easy. The process shown in this small tutorial ensures that the image that you are going to use in your signature will always be visible, regardless of whether you send emails to Google or other platforms such as Microsoft Outlook. Okay, now you got your signature image. Click on Send. Now, we are ready to create our signature. Please go to Settings. Click on Create New and select a name. Type your contact information. Be careful, for example, never put here your identification number. Please subscribe. Thank you. Very important, now make sure you select on both sides the name of your signature. Click on Save Changes. And the last quick step. Please go to your email and copy the image. Go to Settings. Paste the image and select the size you want. Click on Save Changes.